Hey there! Let's learn a new word together. Before you start, please hit the like button if you enjoy our content and subscribe to this channel if you're learning English. Stay up to the end of this video and you'll learn a fun fact about the English language. Let's begin.
Accused. Accused means person or group of people who are charged with or on trial for crime. For example, the accused was ordered to stand trial on a number of charges. The accused was ordered to stand trial on a number of charges. Synonyms: litigator, opponent in law, opponent.
Awesome! You learned that quickly. Let's put it in some sentences to understand how to use it.
The first exemplar. He used a combination of intimidation and hearsay evidence to browbeat the accused. Now, repeat after me. He used a combination of intimidation and hearsay evidence to browbeat the accused. The second exemplar. Since the judges never met the accused, the evidence was unlikely to be challenged. Now, repeat after me. Since the judges never met the accused, the evidence was unlikely to be challenged. The third exemplar. Many of the collateral rules relating to the defense are favorable to the accused. Now, repeat after me. Many of the collateral rules relating to the defense are favorable to the accused.
Now let's learn an interesting fact about the English language.
Oxyphenbutazone is the highest scoring word in a game of Scrabble. Although, it's only hypothetical and hasn't been played ever. But hey, maybe you'll be the first one to use it.
Thank you so much for watching this video up to the very end. If you're not yet subscribed to our channel, hit the subscribe button below. If you're new to our channel, the links to our most popular playlists are below in the description. We've prepared playlists for different levels of English, and they're good for different goals that you might have. Maybe you want to take an exam, or maybe you want to improve your fluency. So check them out and see you very soon. Bye-bye.